Update. We got a helicopter at this house, bro.
If the shit get complicated, he can keep down, he can keep down, he can keep down, he can keep down, he can keep down. Like I ain't got no place to stay.
All right, good morning. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this video, you can kind of see a sneak peek what we got behind us. We're gonna be driving a bunch of different supercars, all through some scenic back roads, through the hills, through the mountains, and you guys are gonna see me. I'm gonna be swapping pretty much every single car behind me and seeing which one I like best. So in this video, I'm gonna drive a GT3, I'm gonna drive a McLaren, a Lambo Huracan, and a 488. So this is gonna be my first time ever for a 488 and a Porsche. So I heard good things about Porsche. We'll see if the hype lives up to the expectation. But real quick, got my bro with me. He's gonna be whipping the cars too. And then we got a helicopter right here, boys. We have a Dodge Viper and a helicopter. That's fucking sick. But yeah, here's the lineup. Dope ass livery, GT3, boom, 488, soon. And then blue, this is a Perf, Huracan Perf. All right, the McLaren, I think this is a McLaren Artura just pulled up. This is the final car. Bro, we just got another McLaren. I think that's a 600, yeah, LT. And then a Vantage just parked up randomly, bro. What is this? All right, we inside, got the Ferrari in front. Holy, let's go. We're gonna let it warm up, then we're gonna drop that mode. We out, we out. Look at this, boys. We got 4 supercars. We got the heli, we got a Dodge Viper. Already the steering on a Perf is so stiff. Holy shit. When this warms up, best believe I'm putting that in Corsa. Beautiful fall weather, guys. We got the leaves changing color, riding supercars, perfect temperature, the sun's out. What more can you ask for in life than 4 supercars in beautiful weather? Come on. All right. Corsa time, baby. Oh, you can hear the valves open. Yeah. Oh man, come on. Oh, those downshifts are heaven. Ready, ready? I'm gonna do the famous flick. So I think if I got a Huracan, I think I would want a Perf, because it's just that more power, it just feels so much more raw. Ready? Following the 488. Look at the school. All the kids are probably like, what the? I just inspired probably, hopefully one of them. Hopefully one of them, and one of them will be able to get this, at least. Because I remember when I was a kid, if I saw 4 supercars drive by, Perf, 10 out of 10 experience. Now we got my younger bro whipping the Perf, same car. So we're gonna see what he thinks of it. So now we have the first car to compare, and we have 3 more. This is gonna be so fun, boys. What you think?
It's crazy.
Johnny's first time driving a Huracan. or a sports car in general, actually, supercar in general. I've drove a Huracan before, not the Perf, like I said, but first time it's special. All right, time for the McLaren swap. Doors up in this one. All right, McLaren Artura. Oh yeah, already I can tell the Huracan beats this by a mile. This is like you're crammed in here. I feel like I'm just crammed, my feet can't even move, but hey, we're in a McLaren, so who cares, bro? It's quiet too. The steering is like weird, and it's quiet. Already the Huracan's on top.
Nice and close together, guys. We're going to film here. Nice and close, everybody. Thank you.
I feel like I'm in a movie right now, or GTA. Also, the reason I'm doing this, it's like 10 a.m. so the market's open. I am not trading today for a reason. Gold and the NASDAQ is at all-time highs. I am not touching when both of those pairs are at all-time highs. I'm taking a day off in the markets, and we have a government shutdown. So I decided to whip some supercars today instead. That's why we're here. Yeah. I just realized we were in comfort the whole time, so I just put it into sport. I clicked this down. Sounds a little bit better. But look at this. Look at these back roads. Come on. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. You guys probably like, what the fuck? Oh, what's more beautiful, the scenery or the cars? I don't know. Porsche GT3. All right, we just switched. My bro is now driving the McLaren, so we're gonna get his thoughts on it as well.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest, the brakes are terrible. Like,
Yeah, they're just super stiff.
But to me, I'm not gonna lie, the gas, this one feels quicker than the Huracan. It's just not as loud.
Real ass back roads. Let's go. Guys, quick pause because I want to let you know on a crazy opportunity right now. You can now get up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock and $100 in cash rewards with a qualified deposit using Moomoo. So if you're ever thinking about trading stocks, options, or ETFs, or specifically wanting to start investing into AI stocks, but we're not ready because you didn't want to risk your own capital, this is the time to take advantage because Moomoo is giving up to $1,000 of NVIDIA stock for free. Plus, there's this AI tool built in the platform called Moomoo AI where you could find it at the top or search for it. Think of it as ChatGPT for investors, but even more useful because it pulls in real-time market data. For example, I could ask it, what are the key AI players in the market right now? And it will gather all the key data for me. So if you're wondering the platform that I use to trade stocks and invest for the long term, it's Moomoo. So join me and the 27 million other people around the world also using Moomoo and take advantage of this exclusive offer by either scanning the QR code on screen or clicking the link down below. Thanks to Moomoo for sponsoring this video, but let's get back to it. First time driving a Porsche ever, and it's a good one. Startup is right here. Boom. All right, we're gonna put this in manual, ready? Boom, thumb down, we're in. Let's see, let's see. Now this car is crazy, bro. This beats the McLaren for sure. This thing sounds good, bro.
I know.
I didn't think Porsche sound good like that. All right, little stop. Got the whips behind us. Next up is that Ferrari. Porsches. They got me liking them now. Not gonna lie, guys. Lambo's still on top of it. Porsche a little bit under. McLaren, I don't know. Didn't really fuck with. But that Ferrari is gonna be the big determination of this challenge. This is what a Porsche was built for. We're literally in the country lane right now. We got crops beside us, and we're about to take off in the Porsche. Woo. We're going through all these back roads. They're windy. This is built for that, and it handles it well. Downshift, downshift. We got a corner coming up, boys. Yeah. Yo guys, it's funny because we just swapped cars and the guy behind us in the Ferrari 488, he's like, bro, you know how to drive. To me, he's like, you drive that thing so good. All I heard was that flat six screaming in front of us because I was in front of him. He's like, you know how to drive a car, respects. We got the Porsche whipping, but yeah, all-time highs on NQ, on the NASDAQ, and it just randomly dumped. Pretty much at market open, no entry opportunities there, and then no solid opportunities for the rest of the day. So glad no trading day today. Gold could have got the entry off the bearish rejection of this first presented right here and then fell, but again, all-time highs. I rather just wait, be patient. We still have tomorrow, so yeah, there's an update for you guys. But good news, another funded student on a VIP testimonials, another funded student, and it's a girl. Yeah, we have girls in the community too. Brianna said, OMG, no words. I remember when I first started trading, things were so tough. I thank you, Luke, because your strategy helped me get here. I'm really grateful. So there we go. Now I was checking in the VIP chat to see if anyone in my community caught something. Corey, break even today, but caught gold buys last night. So break even on the NASDAQ here, but he made $750. Again, this is my case study guy, Corey, who just recently got funded. He was up 12% in his live account. I'm like, bro, let's get you funded. 12% funded, you could be doing 12K months. Now he's already up 1,200. That payout is gonna be juicy soon. He's almost out of payout. Brianna even said that payout gonna be crazy. Come on, let's go. I love seeing my students win. Changing lives out here. Porsche in front, gonna give you that Ferrari startup, let's go. All right, I'm excited about this one. Ferrari Spider. Bro, that sun feels so good right now. Update, well, we were having a little bit too much fun maybe. He's saying something about the noise, people are getting complaints, so it is what it is, but that's what these cars do. These cars bring haters, it's part of the game. Positive energy, nothing stopping me. Good content, I guess. Look at the skyline, holy.
Left here.
Jeez, we're like in the hills right now. And just like that, we out. I'm not gonna lie, boys, after all that supercar energy, I kind of feel a little lucky today. So for fun, let's just do a small coin flip for fun, why not? Quickly pulled up soulpump.com. If you use code Luke, you could actually get free Solana I like them because I can connect my Soul wallet directly to them, so I don't have to deposit, withdraw. Everything is literally instant, and they have coin flip. They also have the famous crash game, which is super fun. I'm just gonna do a quick coin flip here. All right, found someone, let's go. Flipping in 3, 2, 1, we want rocket. Bang. I told you I was feeling lucky, boys. So now that's instantly in my wallet, but there you go. What a day. This had to be the most adrenaline-filled day of my life. 4 different supercars through the back roads and getting pulled over by the cops. Whew, I'm gonna need to hit a good workout after this. But real quick, boys, before the video finishes, wanted to show you some other cool whips back here. We got another Ferrari in the garage. We have a GT3 RS Golf. That is hard. R8 Spider. AMG GTR in green. This is a super cool color for this car. And then we got another GT3 RS purple. You guys saw all of that. And there's gonna be 2 types of people. There's gonna be the people who are like, that's gonna be my life soon. And there's gonna be the people who never think they'll touch that in their lives. I promise you, the only thing holding you back is what you believe. So see that life, now go and make it happen. No excuses. Learn a profitable skill if you haven't, have a good mindset, and work towards this. Because I promise you, this shit was fun as hell. I would used to dream to drive supercars, and I'm literally driving them now like it's like every day. I literally own a Lambo. I remember being a cashier, dreaming about this at work, and I'm thinking like, what can I do to get out of this and to start doing this every day and make this my life? Yes, it's manifestation, but with manifestation, you need to put in the work for something. So I made it happen. You guys go make it happen. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoy the video. I got a ticket for you guys, so make sure you like the video right now. Subscribe because I have a ton more cool shit coming. I have a ton more trading vlogs, day in the lives, and I'm doing a New York City trip and some future trips planned. So you're gonna wanna see all of those trips because it's just getting started. So you guys comment down below what your favorite car was. Mine definitely has to be the Lamborghini Huracan. Second, I would give Porsche. And the Ferrari and McLaren were pretty much tied. So that is my review. Nothing beats a Lambo. That's why I have one. I got the daily driver, but amazing fun time. And I'm glad I could do it with my young bro. All right, see you boys on the next one.